Look at this screen. Can you guess today's theme? Yes, you are right. Today's theme is art. Today we are going to start the Unit 6, the natural world. There are a lot of kind of arts in the world. Music, theater, sculpture, gallery, museum and others. For example, music we heard everywhere. There are a lot of kind of musical genres. Maybe it's a pop music, or rock music, classical music, and etc. Theater is one of the popular kind of arts. Sculpture is one of the main types of both visual and fine arts. Gallery, we are going to enjoy the gallery and to look the art paintings. Okay, children, today we are going to talk about nature in works of art. Use the present passive to talk about nature. Describe art and the nature with nouns. Okay, children, your task, there are two questions. Question for first group: do you know any arts or paintings? For second group, what are the most important museums in your town or country? You will tell your opinion to your neighbor, and you should tell some information about this question. Then your neighbor will tell all this information with the object he or she. Okay, children, your next task: match types of visual art with their definition. For example, is a building with a stage in it and on which plays, shows and other performance. It is theater. Then the artist form in which hard or plastic materials are worked into three-dimensional art object. This is a sculpture. Then is a place that has permanent exhibition or works of art in it. This is gallery. Then is a system of buying and selling good things. This is auction. Is part of the earth's surface that can be viewed at one time from one place. It is landscape. Children, let's work with the vocabulary. Complete the table with the words in this puzzle. For example, place, it is museum, there are then exhibition, gallery, people, critic, collector, events, auction of art, masterpiece, paint, place, landscape, people, work of art, sculpture, portrait. Today's grammar is passive voice of the present simple. You know active voice of the present simple. The form of the active voice is first form of the verb. Affirmative sentence of the active voice, for example, artist paints this masterpiece. Negative sentence of the active voice, artist doesn't paint this masterpiece. Passive voice, the form of the passive voice are to be, am is are plus past participle 3. It is form of the passive voice. For example, affirmative form of the passive voice, this masterpiece is painted by artist. The negative form of the passive voice, this, for example, this masterpiece isn't painted by artist. If you understand this grammar, let's do exercise. Let's do the exercise. Fill in the blanks below to complete the sentence. For example, English is spoken in many countries around the world. Second sentence, much of the world's coffee is grown in Brazil. Is grown in Brazil. Next sentence, many photos, what's it to be? Are take, took, taken. Taken. Next, the flowers are, to be are, past verb. Water, watered. 5 sentences. Monopoly is played by people in many parts of the world. Next sentence. Any present is elected every 4 to 8 years. Okay, let's check your sentence. Finish this task. Check my answers. First, okay, 9 sentences are correct. Okay, good. Okay, children, look at the screen. There are some pictures. First group, you should describe these pictures. Explain these pictures. Second group, analyze these pictures and to find links. You will work on your worksheets, then you will present this poster. The next task, choose the correct form of the verb in the passive voice of the present simple. The UK situated or is situated on the British Isles. Is situated. It is correct. Next, the UK is consists or consists of 4 parts. Consist. It is correct. Next, the English Channel separates is separated the British Isles from the European continent. Is separates. It is correct. Next, the United Kingdom of 4 countries, England, Wales, Scotland and the Northern Ireland, makes up or is made up. Is made up. Next, the British Isles from the European continent by the North Sea, separated, are separated. Are separated. It is correct. Next. Open your books at page 68. Exercise 2. Let's listen the audio of this task. Then check your answer to the quiz.
Vocabulary and language focus. Exercise 2.
Check up your answer. Many Impressionist paintings are exhibited in a museum in Paris. The Impressionists were, what's the answer is correct? A part of an art movement. Next, this painting by G.M.W. Turner shows his skills as a landscape artist. Next, a collector bought this painting at an auction. This is an exhibition of unusual sculptures on Lake Baikal in Siberia. Sculptures are usually made from ice. It isn't art, it is correct. Okay? So children, the lesson is over. Can you give me your reflection about this lesson? Thank you very much.